that's a big deal for us. Nagpapasalamat rin po kami sa all of the organizers and the entire organization of Wish Bus and Wish FM, the entire thing. It takes more than a village. It takes 500 barangays to make this happen. Maraming salamat po. Ulit ko lang sinabi ni Rani, my 8 months adventure and odyssey with these
8 months
amazing
pala.
masters.
8 months pala.
Para sa akin, panalo yun dahil it is a master class not only in music but in also, and not only in music business but also in life. It has been a pleasure, lady and
8
gentlemen.
months pa lang.
Maraming salamat. And let's acknowledge also, please, for the last week po, our amazing band, the string players, Jason, our musical director, the band, they've been working so hard to come up with quality sound and band. Salute to you. And of course, our wish coveries. Feeling namin, isang pamilya lang tayo. All of you were on fire. Paula, you made me cry. You were on fire, Paula. I thank you for the pleasure and the privilege. Salamat, Chris.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Moy Ortiz. Yes, we will join you on stage in a bit. All right, we got the Junji Marcelo, everybody.
Yeah, represent.
Kuya Junji, may nilabas ng hidden talent kanina sa stage.
Di ba lang, mag-i-hype ko na lang talaga.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm so hyped up. I mean, I guess tomorrow I can write 5 more songs. I don't know, it's just... I mean, hearing all those songs, grabe, walang dalawang pareho. Nakaka-proud lang kasi these are brothers and sisters na talagang nag-reunion kami, and then the spirit was just, we weren't here to compete. We were just here to support
In the name and in the name of music.
And for that, I would like to thank again Kuya Daniel kasi may mga pinagagawa kayo na minsan di namin alam kung dapat namin gawin sa buhay. Pero because you push us to do stuff, so I mean, I get to dance in Araneta. So at least I can say, I can tell Gary, nakaganyan na din ako, Gary. But you know, the opportunities, you know, the mind of the people behind Wish, they come up with things na hindi naiisip ng mga regular na network. Sobrang excited ako. Ano yung susunod? Ano kaya yung susunod? But again, ano kaya? So, I just wanna encourage you, we will be praying for you for whatever God would lead you to, for you to be very sensitive kung ano yung sasabihin niya sa inyo. At hopefully, yung sasabihin niya sa inyo, kasama yung mga pangalan namin. Pero again, thank you very much to my wish covery, Rhea. Man, you make me proud. You are the daughter I never had, but I wish if I can go back in time, come up with somebody just like Rhea. Alam niyo po, ang hindi niyo po alam kaya, nakikita niyo na nag-shine, that she is one super humble spirit. Lahat gusto niyang ilamdamin. Every time pinipili ko siya, naiiyak siya, parang feeling niya hindi dapat siya. Obvious na, top 12 pa lang, alam ko siya na. So Rhea, this is your time. Whatever the Lord will give you from here onwards, just accept it. Fail or not, it's all win. Maraming salamat ulit. God bless.
Junji Marcelo, everybody. Sir Junji, please join Rhea, and we will all join you in a bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got with me here, Mr. Top Susana.
Hello.
How you doing, Top?
I am beyond words right now. First and foremost, thank you, Sir Dan, and to this gigantic, huge, warm, happy, loving family that is Wish. And for embracing us, inviting us, and just telling us, dito tayo. Marami tayong gagawin dito. Puro bago. Puro bago. And we're just so eager. We're so eager to find out what it is that you're imagining already. Kanina lang sana dyan, pero na ako naiisip na ako. Hindi ko pa makwento sa inyo, may inisip na ako. So, talaga, ganun ako. But, apart from that, I am extremely humbled to be in the company of such inspiring songwriters. Not to say anything about age, pero paborito ko lahat ng mga kanta ninyo. Yung mga kanta ninyo, bahagi na ng nahulma ako bilang isang manunulat ng mga awit at mga awit na rin at isang musiko. Thank you so much. And sa inyong lahat din, talagang humble na humble kami nandito kayo. At sa kanilang mga bayan at mga nanonood, sumusuporta sa lahat ng mga anak natin. Because really, they became really our little sisters and brother and children.
And for some, parang daughter.
Iba talaga, oo. And si Nash, I'm so proud of Nash. Si Nash, she's just so quiet. Ever since, tahimik lang yan. She says, ano kakantay mo, Nash? Ito po. Kasi kanta. Pagkanta pa, tapos, ganun lang. Pero si Nash, you know, it's been a long distance relationship also. She's in Cebu, right? So, and we met in Cebu, and then when she became a finalist, we were really talking about what to write because I wanted her to have a sense of ownership of what she was going to sing. And she actually also lost a dear friend not so long ago. So medyo nagtuba kami, sige, let's write about this so that you have a message that you can share. And what better platform than to share it right here. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Saludo po, saludo po. At maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, sa bawat isa sa inyo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Top Suzana.
Thank you.
Please join Nash and we will join you in a bit. Sir Noel Cabangon, how are we doing tonight?
Gising ko ba tayo?
Gising! Gising kabataan!
It's a wonderful journey. This is my first time to do this. Yung mamimili ka, ipapatapon ka sa isang lugar. At doon
Tapon talaga?
mamimili ka ng gem. Parang ganun eh. You know, kasi marami talagang mga gem sa ating bansa. At ito ay nanggaling sa iba't ibang lugar sa ating bansa. I'm really very honored to be part of this. It's really a wonderful journey. Kung alam niyo lang po kung gaano rin yung pinagdaanan ko ng mga batang ito. Masyadong tawag dito, may pressure. Grabe po yung pressure. But, ang napansin ko talaga, habang tumatagal po yung journey na to, ay nag-i-improve sila. Ang lakas ng development. So you also see the development of every individual. So yun lang, si Tweety. Nung una, sabi ko, nagdadalawang isip pa ako hanggang nakita ko yung kanyang ningning, no? Lumabas ang kanyang galing yung doon na pagdating doon sa apat na lang sila, dalawa na lang sila. Ayun. Talagang, ang husay po sila. Kuya Daniel, you always come up with a project na talagang I'm always in awe. I was here when you had when we were giving mga recognitions sa mga songwriters, mga bata. And grabe, something na hindi talaga ginagawa and unprecedented and pioneering. Grabe, and this is again another pioneering thing. And maraming salamat talaga and for giving OPM, for valuing OPM, giving space and promoting it all over the world. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Tweety, ang layo na narating mo, Iha. Kaya maraming salamat. It should be the voice of your generation and be the voice for change. Thank you, salamat.
Mr. Noel Cabangon, everybody! Alright, we got Benny Saturno, ladies and gentlemen!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Dito masaya ko kasi itong isang ganitong klaseng proyekto, mabigyan natin ng opportunity yung mga aspiring singers, mga nangangarap. At ikaw, Kuya Daniel, ang promotor nito. Kaya yung pasasalamat ko sa iyo, libo-libo, kasi marami ka na naman kabataan ang matutulungan at marating nila yung kanilang mini-mini pangarap na sumampa dyan sa entablado ng Araneta Coliseum, which is, I'm sure, bawat isa sa kanila proud na proud naging part ng Wish Comedy Season 2. Binabalik ko sa iyo ang congratulations at sobrang napakagandang proyekto para sa ating mga kabataan.
Thank you for the
And of course, pupuntahan ko lang kayo. Thank you for acknowledging the song Be My Lady. And hindi nakakaalam, hindi nyo alam, the song was also recorded by Matt Monroe, na-record ko sa UK. Yeah. And next year will be 2020. 2020. 20 plus 20 will be 40. That will be my 40th year in the music industry as a songwriter and record producer. Sa lahat po ng hanggang ngayon patuloy na nakikinig ng aking mga awitin, patuloy na nagiging bahagi ng buhay ng kanilang love story. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo. And of course, syempre, hindi natin kalilimutan, Ana, Magic 12 pa lang gusto na kita. Alam mo kung bakit? Pero ba, naalala mo, sinabi ko sa'yo, ang hinahanap ko, hindi lang sumisigaw. Ang hinahanap ko, isang boses na kakaiba, na pag nadinig ko, distinct, nasasabihin ko na pwede kang magmarka sa industriya. So, inaral kitang mabuti, and nakita ko yung pangarap mo. Sana maging instrumento ko ng iyong tagumpay. At sasabihin ko, in the future, pag meron ka ng hit song, you will be my living trophy. Congratulations, Ana. Masaya ako para sa'yo.
Grabe naman yung sinabi mo, Tito Benny. O, di ba? Songwriter and songwriter speech pa lang, parang lang sa...
Kumalaya na ako.
Yes, and he also wrote my song, Kung Malaya Lang Ako, di ba? Salita pa lang, parang nagsusulat na ng kanta, di ba? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have Sir Boy Christopher!
Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Siyempre kay Kuya Daniel, ako man po ay hindi ako nakapaniwala kung saan ang gagaling yung ideas na ibinibigay ng Diyos sa akin. Pinapakama ko na Kuya Daniel. Sana po ay pagkalooban pa siya ng mahabang buhay at makatulong pa siya ng mas marami pa sa ating mga kababayan sa atin, lalo sa ating mga talentong Pilipino, sa amin pong, sa pagbibigay niya ng importansya sa aming mga composers na minsan nalilimutan natin. Sinabi niya kanina na ang mas naaalala yung mga kumanta, pero yung mga composers malimit na nakakalimutan. Nasa likod lang kami. Pero dahil sa programa ito, dahil kay Kuya Daniel, nabigyan po kami ng importansya. Maraming salamat. At sa Angelo Room Choir, sa Indang Batangan, na aking inistorbo ng matagal.
Grabe naman yung pasabot mo kanina.
Maraming salamat sa inyo sa magbibigay niyo sa akin ng pagkakataon na makapiling ko kayo. Mga taga Santo Tomas, thank you very much sa inyong lahat at naging bahagi ko kayo. At naging bahagi ng journey namin ni Angelica sa Miss Comedy Season 2. At sa inyong pong lahat na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat sa inyong paggabay, pagsubaybay at pagbibigay po ng inyong pansin sa lahat po ng ating mga talento na nandito na sinala po namin talaga. At ito po ay may konting heartaches, may mga sakit dahil hindi po basta-basta itong binigay ng proyekto nito sa amin. Dahil aming po mga puso ay malambot. Minsan, mahirap talagang gumigo ng ibang mga talento na inaakala mo talaga na magaling din naman. Pero dahil kailangan namin pumili, talagang kailangan namin pumili ng sa tingin namin ay nararapat tumuntong sa entablado ito. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga talento na to, sa lahat ng mga composers na nakasama ko. Maraming salamat at muli ko kayo nakasama. At Angelica, I'm so proud of you. Alam ko may lugar ka sa industriya nito at itong simula ng lugar mo para kayo magtagumpay. Maging lalo kang sa lupa. At siyempre, huwag mo kalilimutan ang ating mahal na Panginoon Diyos. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless us all. Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Sir Boy Christopher, for the kind words. Please join Angelica on stage and we will be all right there. And syempre, last but definitely not least, the only rose among the thorns, Miss Odette Quesada, everybody!
You know, in Los Angeles, it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. So
Jet lag ba?
kami ni Audrey, ano na kami, umaga na. So kayo, inuumaga na kayo, kala nyo kayo lang. Anyway, it's a pleasure to meet you, sir. Tinawag mo akong ma'am, tatawagin kitang kuya.
Ayun.
The mere fact that this is all happening today and all of these new artists are getting an experience of a lifetime is truly, truly amazing. And thank you for facilitating all of this for all of us. It's good to be here. I flew in on Sunday. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm just here to know who the winner is. And I'm sure you all want to know that, so I'm going to keep my speech really brief. I just want to thank everybody for coming tonight. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I enjoyed myself. And Audrey, we should do an album. I think that's the best endorsement I could ever say about my singer. To all of you, yung mga singers, magpagawa kayo sa mga composers niyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Odette Quesada! All right, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That was our wish cover. Those were our wish cover composers. And now, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready? Are we ready to find out who will be the Wish Cover Season 2 Grand Champion of the night? All right. Well, after months of fierce competition, we've now arrived at the moment that we have all been waiting for. Maybe please call our judges, Miss Lani Misalucha, Dr. Raul Sunico, and Mr. Alvin De Vera to help us announce the results. Please join us on stage, our judges. And syempre, we'd also like to thank our official tabulating partner, the faculty members of the Ateneo de Manila University School of Science and Engineering, led by Professor Felix Muga. And at this point, we will now be revealing our third runner-up. Those who will not make it to the top 4 will receive a consolation prize worth of 50,000 pesos. That's 50,000 pesos, everybody. And now, may we call on stage our Vice President for Radio, Mr. Gerardo Bong Etorma III, and Vice President for TV and Marketing, Mr. J. Eusebio, for the awarding. Sir Bong, how are you, Bob? How are you? Sir J, how are you, sir? All right. And now, may we have the honor of having Mr. Alvin De Vera on stage to announce the third runner-up. Mr. Alvin De Vera, please. And here he comes. Hello, Mr. Alvin.
Third. Second. Apat lang.
And here is the
Consolation yung
envelope,
apat.
sir. Of course, I got it.
Kinakabahan ako
I'm nervous.
Kinakabahan ako.
There we go.
All right. Ready? Garnering a total score of 81.67%. Our third runner-up is Paula Guevara of Camp Ortiz. Congratulations.
Bicol, ano? Sa Bicol.
Congratulations, Paula Guevara! Sir Boy, congratulations. Miss Lani Misalucha, one of our judges, will announce the second runner-up, Miss Lani Misalucha, everybody!
Nakakaba.
Looking so beautiful tonight.
Langanin kasi rin si
Here we go.
Rie, no?
And
Pero
syempre, the
magaling din yung isa eh.
Here, let me help you.
Si Rie, ano yan? Pang hindi champion, ano yan?
Garnering
First round.
a total score of 83.3%. Our second runner-up is
Nakabahan ako ah.
Jemmy Picardal of Running!
Ay, wow!
Congratulations, Jimmy Picardal from Cap Rani. Jimmy Picardal and Cap Rani will win 300,000 pesos.
Dalawa na lang. Pag hindi tinawag si Rie dyan,
Alright guys, photo up. Here we go.
Rie Bas ko yan. Rie Bas kasi malaki yung focus ng
Congratulations, Jemmy and Sir Rani. Second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen.
yung mataba.
And at this point, I'd like to call
Alin dyan?
Dr. Raul Sunico
Yung
to
mataba?
please do the honor of announcing
itong pula, nakapula?
first
O, yun nga, magaling din yan.
runner-up. Dr. Raul Sunico, please join me in the center here. Thank you so much. We got the orange envelope here. Would you like to do the honor, sir? All right. Who will it be?
Kalating million yan, ano? Kalating million yan eh.
Of 86.67%. Our first runner-up is
Nasrin Casas.
Miss Nasrin Casas.
Congratulations, Nasrin Casas of Top Susana. Nasrin will be winning
Kasi mataba eh.
500,000 pesos.
Galing din kasi yung mataba eh.
Congratulations, Nasrin. And photo op, syempre.
Galing din kasi yung kumanta nung ano eh.
What a night. What a night, Araneta! Sino sa tingin niyo ang nanalo? So now, we have 5 finalists left. Who will emerge triumphant in the second season? I wish memory. Who do you think will be this next grand singer? And whose song will be hailed supreme? But before we finally announce, let's see what the grand champion will get.
Walang iya.
Let's watch this.
Champion of Wish Recovery Season 2, the singer and the song will receive a brand new car, a house and lot, 1 million worth of contract, and 1 million worth of cash.
All right. Here on stage is the president and CEO of Bria Homes, Mr. Rizalito Rosales. And to award the house and lot, and finally, may we call the man behind this wonderful project, the president and CEO of BMPI Wish 1075, Kuya Daniel Razan. He will announce this season's grand champion. Hello, sir. Pleasure to have you here. All right. Are we ready? Sino sa tingin niyo ang nanalo? Sino?
Wala pa ba si Angelica? Hindi pa natawag?
To make it a little... Sandali lang po ha.
Unahin muna natin na bigyan ng consolation prizes kasi I would like to let you know, lahat po naman itong ating mga contestants ngayon ay mga winners na. Dahil with the permission of our composers here, pinag-uusapan nga po namin, we will also be launching the album that will contain all their songs. And we will be inviting you as well to another concert na kung saan po natin ilo-launch yung album nila. And we will be targeting again the same thing that happened to the Wishful 5 sa ating first wish contest, sa ating wish covery. We will be targeting to have a one-day platinum. So help us out para po sa concert na yan and sana nandiyan kayo. So all the contestants ngayon po will be receiving yung mga
consolation, tapos matitira siya yung champion.
as consolation prizes nila. They will be receiving 50,000 pesos each, right? So
Yung hindi matatawag.
unahin ko muna po yung mga 50,000 pesos. So ibig sabihin yung dalawang huling matitira, isa doon ay magiging 50,000 at isa yung grand winner.
Grabe.
Di ba mas okay yun, ano?
Mas exciting. Mas nakakaba.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, isa po sa mga consolation prizes and we would like to thank everybody na sumali. Ano yun? Oh, nilalagay niyo dyan. Huwag yung lagay dyan. Sa akin yung bigay. Bigay niyo sa akin. Sino yung mga pwede nating consolation prizes? Yeah.
Nabago yung ano. Nakakabala.
Unahin mo na natin. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam yung mga...
Mali nga yung ano. Mali.
Total,
Mas maganda yun.
ako din kinakabahan eh. Parang ako yung kasali sa contest eh. Ayan. Ito po ang susi ng bahay. Ginagawa pa po yung kandado na papasok to susi na to. Ito naman yung susi ng kotse.
Ginagawa pa rin.
Ano kayang kotse? Kakasya to. So, can we have the list?
Tama kasi mababaliw wala.
Ay, hindi, ganito na lang. Please. Nasa yun na yung grand prize winner. Oh. So, ito na ba?
Tinix eh, no?
Okay. Ito na. So, let's call on to get the consolation prize. Let's call on Audrey Rose Arellano. And another consolation prize will go to, of course, that's from Camp Odette Quesada. Kasi kanina pa ako binubulungan ni Jay Eusebio. Bakit hindi mo binanggit na gusto ko din yung Till I Met You? Another one is Anna Marie Ginsisian. From Camp Benny Saturno. Okay. So,
Nayapas ko na yun.
tatlo ba?
Yung kay ano, yung maganda
So,
yun.
isa pa.
Joel. Noel, sa bangon.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Naging exciting lalo, ano? Kinakabahan din ako kuya eh.
Sino pa natira? Wala na, di ba?
Hindi, yun si kay Kabangon.
Dalawa na lang, di ba?
Dalawa na lang?
Sino pa?
Another consolation prize
Dalawa na lang.
is from Camp
Boy Ramos.
Ayun, Boy Ramos, si Boy.
Angelica naman.
Dalawa na lang.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, I will now be announcing, dalawa na lang po sila. Yung isa po sa kanila will be the grand champion, and the other one will receive the 50,000 consolation prize. I will be announcing the name of the grand champion. May we have the envelope, please? Thank you. Thank you so much. Chris Lawrence, pakipalakpakan naman po natin, the host of Wish Cavalry. Garnering an average score of 87.67. Wishers, ladies and gentlemen, your Discovery Season 2 Grand Champion from Camp Chuji Matsuda!